Today I'm trying this Ardell Magnetic Eyelashes, and this is the cheap version of the Magnetic Eyeliner Eyelashes. Which one will work better? This one, or maybe the store-bought eyelashes still works better? Let's try it out, shall we? But before I try them on, of course, I need to do my makeup first, so I don't look this crazy. So what I want to do first is putting these eyelashes on my right eye first. This is a normal eyelashes that I got from the drugstore, and this is cheap, by the way. And I want to see how long it took me for put it on. Okay, it took me 2 minutes to put this one on, and I want to see how long it took me to put this one on. I really don't know. I have no idea. I haven't tried it before. Let's do it. I also got this applicator because I read it online. It's gonna be a lot easier to put it on with the applicator, so I've also got this, but this is quite expensive too, so I really hope this does work. Oh, okay. So the applicator itself got magnet on the top and on the bottom. So you're supposed to apply it on the applicator first and then clip it. Basically, yeah. Let's try it. I'm going to try it first and then time it, because it's not really fair if I want to compare this one to this one, because I'm used to using this fake lashes. Let's try it first. It quite made me nervous because you have to hold the bottom one quite close to your eyeballs, so that quite freaks me out. Let's try it again. From far it looks good, but I can assure you it's not even sticking properly. You see it? Nah. Let's try this again. It's quite tricky. I don't know, maybe because it's the first time I'm using this, it's really awkward. Like, I'm not used to the position, and I don't know how to hold this applicator either. Okay, I got it. It's not sticking! Am I doing this wrong? You see it? It's like not even close to the eyelid. See? Like from far away, it looks weird. It's like hanging, you know? And every time I blink, it's just gotten looser and looser. Let's try this one more time. I am not giving up. I don't think the magnet is that powerful, so every time I got it on, it's not even like sticking strongly to each other, you know, it's not holding itself. I still won't get like close to my eyelid, so it like looks like it's just hanging there, you know, like the middle part is quite close to my eyelid, actual eyelid, but the end, like inner end and outer end of the eyelashes, it's not working for me. Let's give it a 4th try. It wouldn't really stick to the close enough to make it work, you know. For far away, I think you can't really tell if it's not sticking, but I can really feel it, you know. Every time I blink, it's getting looser and looser. So 5th try a charm, right? Let's give it one more chance. It's not really cheap, so I really do want to make this work. Okay, I think this time is the closest. Look at this. It's not even 1 minute after I put it on. It's already loosened up.
I guess nothing's changed.
Nothing's changed.
Is this worth the hype it gotten? I saw good reviews on the online shop though. I want to make it work. Maybe from far away and you want to take a quick photo shoot and you don't want to waste a fake eyelashes, maybe you can use this, but I can't really recommend this. I think I bought it for 180,000 Indonesian rupiah, so it's not really cheap though. But if it works, it would save so much money. So because I know this product not working for me, I want to try one more product that might work better. So basically they have a magnet in their eyeliner fluid, so you put it on like usual and then just stick it on. Maybe this one will work. Let's see. Wow, this one came with this many choices. It's interesting, but disclaimer, if you have sensitive skin, you have to try the liquid first on your hand because you don't want to get infection or anything in your eye. So try it on your hand first. That's what I did yesterday and I don't get any allergic reaction. So let's try it on my eyelid then. Okay, the eyeliner is not as hard as I thought it would be to use. So now I have to let it dry. Shake the magnetic eyeliner 10 to 20 times. Shoot, I didn't do that. I never really read the instruction. Maybe I should. But nothing really changes though. Okay. Apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids and wait a minute to try it out. Okay, now let's wait a minute. Okay, it's been 1 minute. Let's try it on. I already can feel the magnet is stronger on this eyelash, so let's hope this one works. Oh, that was so easy and really strong, but it's really dramatic too. Where would I use this kind of eyelashes? Really, the magnet part is really strong. You know, like if I pull it like this, even my eyelid will move along, you know? Can you see it? Maybe I need to trim the eyelashes a little bit so it wouldn't be this long. But on camera, it's like fantastic!
We didn't see that coming. We didn't.
Oh my god. The magnet part is quite visible, but after you put it on, it's not really, you can't really see it unless you look at it from this angle. I'm really impressed. And this whole thing only cost me like 52,000. It's crazy! But again, you have to try it on your hand first because you might have a sensitive skin like I did. And if it doesn't sting your skin or you don't get any reaction from this product, maybe you try it on your eyelid. But so far, I don't have any complaint for this product. Okay, so I did not expect it to go this way. Honestly, I might never buy this product again. Like the Ardell one costs too much for that kind of experience, you know. Maybe if you have a limited budget, you just go with the store-bought eyelashes. It does work really well, and from all of them, it's really the lightest also because it doesn't have any magnet or anything on it. It's just lashes. So yeah, that concludes today's video. If you ever try this Ardell magnetic lashes and it works for you, please tell me in the comments below how to use it and what the trick is. I tried maybe like 7 or 8 times and it doesn't work for me. And if you have this product in your country, you can give it a try. I'll definitely use this more than the Ardell one. Maybe I'll gonna give it a try again. If it does work for me and I found the way to use it, maybe I'll make a future update. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!